Welcome to MMM, presentation by Meliesta Kenya Guidance School Batch 1. Ideology of MMM. MMM is a community that cuts across the world of people who are ready and willing to work together with an aim and objective of fighting and eradicating the unjust financial system of the world, especially from the banking sectors. MMM works toward ensuring that people are rewarded according to the efforts and hard work presented by an individual. Sir Saji Mavro therefore believed in the aspect of working together as a community in ensuring financial success, hence reducing, eventually eradicating poverty. What is MMM? MMM does not collect your money, since participants donate money to each other directly. MMM is not an online business. MMM is not an investment. MMM is not a network marketing business, though it's an online platform that unites participants who donate to each other. MMM is not a bank. MMM has no central bank account. MMM is a global mutual aid society. This is a community of ordinary people selflessly helping each other, a kind of a global fund of mutual aid. In MMM, people help people. For instance, banks normally pay people with money collected from others. MMM uses same banking concept but as a mutual aid fund. Participants exchange their money voluntarily with an aim of improve their living standards. MMM is a voluntary coming together of millions of people across the globe providing help and getting help from each other. Registration bonus. After registration and making the first help, the participant shall receive a bonus in the order below. Registration bonus. After having registered and making the first donation, the participants receive a bonus in the amount of $20 when you donate from $50 to $499. You also get $50 when you donate from $500 to $3,000. When you donate more than $3,000, you get a bonus of $100. Getting help. For one to get help, he or she must have provided help. As a member who has donated money to a fellow member who requested for the donation, you are also entitled to receive a donation that sums up to the equivalent of the amount donated. There is unlimited possibility in MM, people helping people. Join me, Mary